Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0017 refers to an issue with the correlation between the camshaft position CMP sensor B and the crankshaft position CKP sensor. This diagnostic trouble code alerts that the exhaust camshaft phase readings from CMP sensor B do not match the expected phase value, indicating a potential malfunction. Localizing the problem starts with understanding how these sensors function. The CMP sensors are responsible for monitoring the position of the camshaft to help the engine control module, ECM, determine the correct timing for fuel injection and ignition. In the 2023 Honda CR-V, sensor B specifically measures the exhaust camshaft phase. If discrepancies arise between its readings and established standards, the code P0017 triggers, leading to performance issues and possibly reduced engine efficiency. Thus, pinpointing this error is crucial for ensuring optimal vehicle operation. The camshaft position, CMP sensor B, is a critical component connected to the exhaust side of the engine in the Honda CR-V. Its primary role is to relay the camshaft's position to the engine control module, ECM, which facilitates accurate timing for fuel injection and ignition. This sensor helps optimize engine performance while reducing emissions. The CMP sensor B specifically monitors the exhaust camshaft phase, which is essential for maintaining engine balance and efficiency. If the readings from CMP sensor B do not align with the expected standards, the ECM triggers the Diagnostic Trouble Code P0017. This typically signifies that either the sensor itself is faulty or there is an issue with the camshaft timing mechanism, leading to poor engine performance, increased emissions, and possible engine damage if not addressed promptly. It's located near the exhaust camshaft, often requiring disassembly of surrounding components for access during diagnostics. Several potential causes could lead to the DTC P0017 being stored in the Honda CR-V. First, a faulty camshaft position, CMP sensor B, may not provide accurate readings to the engine control module, ECM, prompting the error code. Another possibility is camshaft timing misalignment, which means that the timing between the camshaft and crankshaft has deviated from the specified range. The variable timing control, VTC, actuator may also malfunction, affecting its ability to manage the camshaft timing effectively. Lastly, damage to the cam chain can cause irregularities in movement, leading to misalignment and abnormal sensor readings. Each of these issues can compromise engine performance, making it essential to assess them during the troubleshooting process. The symptoms associated with DTC P0017 can significantly impact the driving experience. One of the most noticeable signs is poor engine performance, which may manifest as reduced power or acceleration issues. Additionally, increased emissions can occur due to improper fuel combustion, leading to failure in emission tests. Drivers may also experience engine misfires, which often feel like stuttering or hesitation during acceleration. An illuminated check engine light will most likely be present on the dashboard, indicating the need for further diagnostics. Observing these symptoms indicates that immediate attention is required to examine the camshaft position sensor and related components to prevent further damage and restore vehicle efficiency. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0017 involves preparing the vehicle for diagnostics. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off-lock mode and allowing the engine to cool down to below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. This is important to ensure safety and to gather accurate readings. After the engine has cooled, start it up and allow it to idle without any load, either in park or neutral. Doing this provides the ECM with the opportunity to gather the necessary data from the CMP sensor B and CKP sensor. If the problem recurs while the vehicle is idling, this indicates that there may be an underlying issue that needs additional investigation. It is crucial to observe any abnormal behavior during this idle stage, as it can confirm the symptoms associated with the DTC P0017. For the second step in troubleshooting DTC P0017, turn the vehicle to the on mode while ensuring that it is not started. This step prepares the onboard diagnostic system for testing. Next, you will need to select the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, function related to the Variable Timing Control, VTC, specifically EX-VTC. Once in this diagnostic setting, monitor the test results for any abnormalities. If the test result indicates that the performance is not okay, it confirms that a failure has been duplicated in the system. Understanding the outcomes from this diagnostic tool is vital, as it directly points towards the source of the issue, either the CMP sensor B or related components within the timing mechanism. The third step requires you to turn the vehicle back to the off, lock mode after conducting the previous tests. Allow the engine to cool again below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, to ensure accurate results. Once sufficiently cooled, restart the engine and let it idle until the HDS EX-VTC status is confirmed to be on. This status indicates whether the variable timing control system is functioning correctly. While idling, monitor the HDS for the OBD status, onboard diagnostic status, concerning DTC P0017. Properly interpreting these readings allows mechanics to see if any abnormalities persist in the camshaft and crankshaft correlations. If the DTC reappears, this further substantiates an underlying issue that needs addressing. To ensure a successful resolution of DTC P0017, conduct a final verification. Start by confirming that all repair procedures related to the CMP sensor B and its associated components are completed. Once confirmed, use the diagnostic tools to clear any DTC codes from the system. This step is critical to reset the ECM and allow it to assess the vehicle afresh. After clearing the codes, take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure that it operates smoothly without triggering the DTC again. Monitor the engine behavior during the drive, ensuring that performance matches expected standards. Final verification not only confirms the integrity of the repairs made, but also reassures the driver of the vehicle's reliability moving forward. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0017 in a Honda CR-V, regular maintenance plays a crucial role. One of the most important preventive measures is adhering to a schedule for regular oil changes. Clean, high-quality oil ensures that the variable timing control, VTC, mechanisms, including the CMP sensors and actuators, function optimally. Additionally, routinely inspecting all components associated with the VTC system, such as VTC actuators and cam chains, will help identify issues before they develop into serious problems. Another key aspect is to monitor overall engine performance closely and report any irregularities to a qualified technician promptly. These preventive measures not only enhance the lifespan of the components, but also maintain the vehicle's efficiency and reliability over time. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0017 and its implications is essential for maintaining the Honda CR-V's performance. This code highlights critical issues related to camshaft and crankshaft position sensor correlation that can affect engine functionality. By regularly inspecting components related to the VTC system and addressing any issues promptly, drivers can ensure smooth operation and optimal performance of their vehicles. These inspections coupled with timely repairs, not only enhance the driver's experience, but also sustain the longevity of the engine components. A proactive approach to vehicle maintenance is key in avoiding serious issues that could arise from DTC P0017 and can ultimately lead to expensive repairs if neglected. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.